Connecting custom devices to the Smart Logger 3000. Log into the Smart Logger web UI. Choose Settings, COM Param. Click RS485. Set COM port parameters based on the Smart Logger COM port connected to the third-party device. To ensure that the parameters match the third-party device, choose Maintenance Connect Device. Refer to the Modbus protocol of the third-party device. Use the custom device configuration table in the Smart Logger documentation of the current version. Fill in the configuration file. Generate the CFG file. Click Import Config and import the generated CFG file. Click Add Devices. Based on the custom device configuration table, select Custom Device 1 to Custom Device 10. Set the port number and address